Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Lex, your human guide to building digital confidence through tech tools and web design.
Welcome to Enhance Your Documents, a guide to formatting, layouts, and tables. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to transform basic documents into professional, well-structured content that's easy to read and navigate. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply formatting and styles to improve document readability, use page and section layouts for better structure, and insert and modify tables to organize information effectively. Let's get started. First, let's explore formatting and styles. The key concepts you'll work with include font type, size, and color, text emphasis like bold, italics, and underline, paragraph alignment and spacing, and pre-built styles such as heading 1, normal, and title. Now you might be wondering, why use styles instead of manually formatting everything? Here are 4 compelling reasons. First, styles ensure consistency across your entire document. No more mismatched fonts or sizes. Second, they make navigation easier. Headings create a clear structure that readers can follow. Third, styles enable automatic table of contents generation. With just a few clicks, you can create a professional navigation system. And fourth, they save time. Update a style once, and all text using that style updates automatically. Let's take a moment to talk about something that can make a huge difference in your success on this course, and that's consistency. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up regularly, staying engaged, and putting in steady effort over time. When you attend every session, you build strong learning habits. You're reinforcing what you've learned and making it easier to recall and apply those skills later. It also helps with retention. The more often you practice something, the more likely it is to stick. And with that comes confidence. You'll start to feel more comfortable using the tools and techniques we cover. Missing sessions can make it harder to keep up, especially since each lesson builds on the last. That's why staying consistent helps you stay on track. Finally, being present means you can collaborate, ask questions, and learn from your peers, which is a big part of the learning experience. So even if you're feeling a bit stuck or unsure, just keep showing up. Small, consistent steps really do lead to big results. Next, let's look at page and section layouts. Page layout tools give you control over the document's overall appearance. You can adjust margins to create more or less white space, change orientation between portrait and landscape modes, and select different paper sizes like A4 or letter. Section layouts take this a step further. With section breaks, you can divide your document into distinct parts. Use next page breaks to start a new section on a fresh page, or continuous breaks to change formatting without starting a new page. You can even apply different headers and footers to each section, perfect for multi-chapter documents. Now it's time for a hands-on task. Try changing a document's orientation to landscape and adjusting the margins. For a bonus challenge, add a section break and apply a different header to that section. Pause the video here if you'd like to try this yourself before moving on. Now, let's master tables, one of the most powerful tools for organizing information. Inserting a table is simple. Navigate to the Insert tab, click Table, and choose the number of rows and columns you need. But the real power comes from modifying tables to fit your exact needs. You can easily add or delete rows and columns as your content grows or changes. Merge cells to create headers or combine related information. Split cells when you need to divide content. Apply professional table styles with just one click, and adjust alignment and borders to make your data crystal clear. Here's your practice activity. Create a table to compare formatting features. Your table should include 3 columns: the feature name, a description, and any keyboard shortcuts. For the challenge, apply a table style and center align all text to make it look polished and professional. Again, feel free to pause and practice before continuing. Let's recap what we've covered today. Think about these questions as we wrap up. What formatting tools did you find most useful for your work? How can section breaks improve the structure and professionalism of your documents? And when would you use a table instead of bullet points to present information? You now have the skills to create professional, well-organized documents that communicate clearly and look great. Thank you for watching, and happy formatting!